You're going to need to tune in now to a teaching point. So we're going to talk about data collection. Remember, this is all in your workbook, so you can follow along. There's a section all about data collection. The process of gathering information about a particular topic or issue. In action research, an essential step in understanding the problem or issue that we're trying to investigate or determining what actions to take. So the data tells us which direction we might want to go. Typically, there are two main types of data that we can gather. So they call that qualitative and quantitative. And let's have a look at each of them. Qualitative, so it has that word quality in there, and quantitative has that quantity element in there as well. One is quite descriptive, that you get through interviews and talking to people. Maybe it's some written comments, maybe it's a student survey, or maybe it's some written notes from an observation. Quantitative data is when it's all numerical and it's collected through surveys and questionnaires or tests. I was just thinking about what was shared about students using a microscope. If you were observing that, you might be able to just count the number of times a student is getting hands-on, like within a period of 10 minutes or so, and just counting and capturing some quantitative data. Our data collection is a really important part of this work, is an important part of your planning, and is a critical component in your action research.